For this book, I was 1 month in Leipzig, actually half a year, and then every person I communicated with, I made a short sketch in my book, and then afterwards I drew this picture and just set it together. So I just wanted to remember all the people I met. That's it.
Okay, could you show me?
Yeah, it's me and the cover.
Okay, let me see it again. Okay.
And yeah, and then...
Who did you actually meet during that time?
Yeah, students, more or less. And then, for example, he was a taxi cab driver. Yeah, and then I thought, I have the person on the left side, but still I have a feeling about the person I met. So I just try to express something about the person. And sometimes it's stupid, sometimes it's just more like a gesture. For example, he could also be somehow Columbo, or she obviously has like a flower standing at home. Sometimes it's just a little bit, or like a ambient. And of course, I met people I didn't like. So, for example, her. And she was great, but pretty mean person. But still very funny. Yeah, that's it. And then I just printed on a copy machine and lined it.
And that's the result.
That's the result.
Thank you.